channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I just got home from work and I wanted to quickly share with you guys the Harry Potter TN kit by Scribble Prints Co. It is an older kit. I actually got this on the second release, but I am super pumped about it, so I thought I would share with you guys. Even though there's probably a ton of people out there who have already shared this. I don't know. I love everything Harry Potter, but maybe some of you guys haven't seen it yet. Okay, so let me start with the smaller bag first. So when she came out with a second release of it, I was just like, oh my gosh, I need it in my life. Okay, so let me start off with the larger journaling card. And it has the house scarves on there. And it says, we are only as strong as we are united and weak as we are divided. That's fun. Single-sided. And then it looks like these are the girls. So you have Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Gryffindor. I love the fact that she includes different skin tones, different hair colors. So I really like that a lot. All right, so next I'm gonna show you, I believe these are smaller journaling cards. I'm not sure. But you have quotes from the books, and it says, happiness can be found even in the darkest of times. If only one remembers to turn on the light. Then you have, we've all got both light and dark inside of us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. And then I love these, and it says the, famous one, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good, and then life's a struggle when you're a muggle. Love it. So those were the 4 smaller journaling cards. All right, next let's kind of go through the die cuts. So the first one is going to be this Harry Potter themed TN, and this is going to be a vinyl die cut. So it is that thicker material. It is a sticker if you wanted to actually stick this on a dashboard or whatever. This is a high grade vinyl, so you could actually stick it on a computer or a car, but that is super, super cute. Then you have all the house bows, which I love. And I want to say this seems like it's on photo paper. It is a very glossy finish, kind of see that. So all 4 house bows, love that. So then you've got the house crest, you have the broom, you have the golden snitch, the Deathly Hallows sign, the 9 3/4, the always, Harry Potter's glasses with the scar. I don't remember what this is called. And then the sorting hat. So these are all the other die cuts that are included. Again, I want to say it's on photo paper because it is a glossy finish. Super, super cute. So next included are going to be the tabs. So you have all 4 houses and the back is different. So Gryffindor has the silver on the back. Ravenclaw has the wax seal on the back. Hufflepuff has the golden key, the flying key. I don't remember what it's called. And then it looks like Slytherin has the golden snitch on the back. Okay, so let me start out with the vellum and acetate. So it looks like for the vellum, you get the really cute house bows. All right, and then for the acetate, it's actually different spells or different words that are in the book. Really cute. All right, so next I want to show you the papers with it, and I'm actually going to go by house because they come as a set, I guess. So first off, let's start with Hufflepuff, and this is a port key. I totally remembered what it was. So you get the sparkle or the glitter, and then you get the port key on the other side. So you get 2 sheets, double-sided, and both sheets have the same pattern. So you can use one or the other or both. If you like just the glitter, then you can just use the glitter. Next is going to be Slytherin, and you get the green glitter, and then you get the golden snitch. So this is Gryffindor, and you get 2 of the glitter. So you get the red or burgundy glitter, and then you also get the silver or black glitter, or I guess maybe pewter. So there's Gryffindor. Lastly, there is Ravenclaw, and you get Ravenclaw's blue glitter, and then you also get the Hogwarts wax seal, which is one of my favorite prints. for sure. So I'm trying to decide, I know this is a TN kit, but I'm seriously considering putting, because I only use one piece of paper to make one dashboard, I'm seriously considering cutting this up and putting it in my rings so I can have a spread for my rings and my TN. I haven't decided yet because then I have to cut the paper and then that will be heartbreaking if I like fuck it up. I don't know. All right, everyone. So that was the entire TN kit from Scribble Prints Co.